Before the sun rises over Sydney, before footsteps touch the sand, the ocean breathes alone. Waves whisper stories older than cities, older than dreams. This is not just a beach. This is a heartbeat. This is Bondi. Every grain of sand has seen a million lives pass by. Surfers chasing freedom. Travelers chasing meaning. Locals chasing nothing at all. Welcome to Bondi Beach, where the world comes to breathe. Bondi Beach lies just 7 kilometers from Sydney's city centre, yet it feels like another world entirely. A perfect crescent of golden sand, kissed endlessly by the Pacific Ocean. The name Bondi comes from an Aboriginal word meaning water breaking over rocks. And even today, the water still breaks. The rocks still listen. Bondi is not built for tourists. Tourists are built by Bondi. Long before postcards and cameras, Bondi belonged to the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation. This shoreline was their classroom, their playground, their sacred ground. In 1882, Bondi was open to the public. And suddenly, the ocean had an audience. What began as a local swimming spot slowly transformed into a global icon. Bondi is the birthplace of modern surf lifesaving. In 1907, when swimming in daylight was still illegal, brave souls entered the waves anyway. Not for fame. Not for cameras. But to save lives. Today, the red and yellow flags are more than colors. They are symbols of trust. Every year, thousands are rescued here. Bondi doesn't just entertain you. Bondi protects you. The waves at Bondi are honest. They do not pretend to be gentle. One moment, they invite you. The next, they test you. Rip currents flow beneath the surface, invisible, powerful, unforgiving. Bondi teaches a simple lesson: respect the ocean, or the ocean will teach you respect. At Bondi, time slows down. Mornings begin with yoga on the sand. Afternoons taste like salt and sunshine. Cafes serve conversations as much as coffee. Here, nobody asks what you do. They ask how the waves were. Bondi isn't a place you visit. It's a rhythm you fall into. Stretching along the coastline lies one of the world's most beautiful walks, the Bondi to Coogee Trail. Cliffs carved by time. Ocean pools clinging to rock edges. Every step feels like a conversation with nature. This walk doesn't rush you. It reminds you that beauty should be taken slowly. Bondi has appeared in films, television, and dreams. From travel ads to reality shows, its image has crossed oceans. But the real Bondi isn't on screen. It's in early morning swimmers. In sunburnt smiles. In the quiet moment when the tide pulls back and leaves you thinking. Today, Bondi faces new challenges. Climate change. Crowds. Rising seas. Yet the spirit remains unchanged. Bondi adapts. Bondi survives. Because the ocean never stops, and neither does Bondi. When the sun sets at Bondi, the beach exhales. Footprints fade. Waves remain. People leave. But the feeling stays. Bondi Beach is not a destination. It is a reminder that life, like the ocean, is most beautiful when you let it move you. Bondi Beach, not just where land meets sea, but where the world meets itself.